Subcategory form is included under inventory menu. To access the subcategory, click on the inventory menu and select the option subcategory. While we clicking on the option, it opens to search subcategory page. Ecoxy provides the option of category to categorize the products, and user can create category to categorize the product and can create subcategory under it. So with this subcategory form, user can create a subcategory under the main category and it shows already created subcategory details. The details we can see here like subcategory name, the main category name and the current status. On the right side of the data table, we have a more option here. While we clicking on the more option, the new tab will be appear and it includes edit and view icon. If the user want to edit or make a change after created the subcategory, then it can be edited by using this option. The second one is the view option. This view option enables the user to access the complete details of subcategory. While we clicking on the option, it redirects to subcategory form. Next, the passive or inactive type of subcategories are highlighted with red color. Here we can see the color format and the red color indicates with inactive subcategories. Now let's take a look at which all other options are available in the subcategory form. On the left side of the page, we have a filter option here. This filter option enables the user to filter or customize the subcategory data. User can filter the data by category name or by subcategory name. User can select a category name. By clicking on the select option, the list of created category will be appear and user can select the required one. After enter the details, click on the apply option to filter the data. Next to the filter option is a search bar. With this search bar, user can search a subcategory name and can access a particular type of data. Next one is the add new subcategory option. This option is enable the user to create a new subcategory. Next to the add new option is export option. With this export option, user can export the complete subcategory details to Excel format. Now let's take a look at how to create a new subcategory. For that, click on the add new subcategory option. While we clicking on the option, it opens to subcategory management form. Here user need to enter the details to create the subcategory. The first step is to select category name. By clicking on the select option, the list of created category details will be appear and user can select the required one. The next step is to enter the subcategory name. In this field, user can enter the name of the subcategory. Next, if the user want to save this subcategory as active, then mark on the active option here. Or if the user want to save it as an inactive, then unmark the option. The next step is to upload the subcategory image. Here we have a subcategory image option and user can upload the image of subcategory if required. After enter the details, click on the save option to save it as a new subcategory. Here we have an exit option. This option is using for the purpose of cancel without saving the subcategory. While we clicking on the save option, it redirects to search subcategory page and the saved details will be available here. So these are the details included under subcategory form. Thank you.